too.
Bandit number 61 from Millville Company, 8 ball. Vincent Garcia, the Cowboy. It's time to change the score. Sheet number 2. Vincent Garcia waiting on 8 ball to get himself ready.